Welcome to this tutorial on importing 3D models with texture into Geomagic Wrap. As you may already know, STL file types don't support texture, so you can use something like PLY or OBJ or many others. OBJ comes in a package of 3 files. There's usually the 3D object itself, plus a texture in another file. As you can see here, chickenscan1 is an OBJ file type. And chickenscan2 is a PLY. Both have been exported with the texture baked in. First thing you should do is go to the top left and click Import. Not Open, but Import. Select your file. If it's an OBJ, you don't need to select all 3, you just need the 3D object itself. As you can see, because the texture is available, it imports it and shows it to us. Next, let's import the PLY file. So let's compare these two scans. chickenscan2 is a PLY file type, and chickenscan1 is the OBJ. The OBJ has a much larger texture file, and it looks really good. And the PLY, as you can see, is a little bit more blurry with just some of the color baked into the vertices. The important thing to know is that when you create these files, you have to choose the option to texture them because you can export these file types without texture. I hope this video has been helpful and thank you for watching.